Add-on Solutions. Add-on Desire.
Hello viewers, welcome to Adopt Solutions Daily News Analysis session. This session is designed while keeping in mind the needs of aspirants who are preparing for groups, banking and such other examination. Make use of it. So the first topic of the discussion, in the Hindu there is an article which is talking about preventing a cyber Pearl Harbor. We'll not be going in depth of this article, we'll just see what are the elements which might be helpful for us. Here it is said that the identification of a network called axiomatica symptote. So this is a network named Axiomatica Symptote, and using this network, Mumbai power outrage that happened in October of 2020 was created by the Chinese cyber media firms. So using this network, Chinese cyber firms has targeted the Mumbai power systems and they caused the Mumbai power outrage or the blackout. Also, the terms which might be helpful in the examinations are Red Echo. Red Echo. What is this Red Echo? Red Echo is the cyber firm which is alleged to have support from China, that is China's government. So Red Echo is the cyber firm which targeted power systems, and it targeted the power systems using the malware. It targeted the power systems using the malware called Shadow Pad. So ShadowPad is a malware, Axiomatica Symptote is a network, and Red Echo is a company. Next, center reconstitutes the panel on mythical Saraswati river. So what is this river? According to our Puranas and other sacred books, there existed a river called as River Saraswati. This river this river is said to be flown in the areas of Rajasthan and Punjab. But what happened to this river? This river, to surprise, has dried up, and no river is existing from the last few hundred years. So why this river has dried up? To find out this reason, the center has reconstituted the panel. So it was said that earlier there used to be a river flowing in Rajasthan. If this is Rajasthan, the river used to be coming from Uttarakhand and Himalayas areas, and this river used to get water from River Yamuna. But later on, due to earthquake or for some other reason, River Yamuna changed its direction, and River Yamuna from then onwards is joining River Ganga. As River Yamuna is not anymore flowing water into River Saraswati, the River Saraswati is said to have dried out, and now a panel is set up on this river. Next, there is an article which stated that nearly 388,000 people in Syria has died due to the civil war. So first, where is Syria? Syria exists near the Middle East, and Syria is sharing boundaries with Turkey, Iraq, Jordan, Lebanon and Israel. And here this is Mediterranean Sea. And in this image you can see that various forces are controlling various parts of the Syrian territory. So the red is under the control of the Syrian government, and here the black spots you can see are under the control of Islamic State of Israel and Libya, or Iraq or Libya. Next, here you see Kurdish forces occupying and maintaining some territory. So many forces are occupying parts of Syria, and to regain the control of the area, Syrian government has launched an offensive, and the civil war has been going on ever since. Next, tigress founded in MP Wildlife Sanctuary. So there is a wildlife sanctuary called Singori Wildlife Sanctuary. This wildlife sanctuary is in Madhya Pradesh. Next, environmentalist residents against legalizing of mining in Aravalis. So where is this Aravalis? Aravalis, or the Aravalli range, is a mountain range in northwestern India. It runs approximately nearly 692 kilometers in the southwesterly direction. That is southwesterly direction. It starts near the Delhi and it passes through Haryana and Rajasthan and it ends near the Gujarat. So how many states are covered under this Aravalli ranges? Delhi 1, Haryana 2, Rajasthan 3 and Gujarat 4. So 4 states have parts of Aravalli range. And next, the highest peak of this mountain is Guru Shikhar. And this mountain range, the highest peak is 1722 meters. So you need to remember the states in which Aravalli mountains passes and the highest peak of the Aravallis. So this is the end of this session. Thank you.
Add-on solutions. Add-on desires.